Hi, this is Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester in New Hampshire. This is our 2016 Mercedes-Benz passenger van. Six-cylinder, 188 horsepower, diesel. Again, this is the 2500 3/4 ton diesel. Does have the backup camera. Actually comes with a little extra DEF. You can see it has storage capability. This is our 10-seat passenger van. See, it has the key fob here. Nice about this vehicle, has the multi-function steering wheel. The nice thing about this vehicle, it has the driver comfort package. It also has the active safety plus package, which gives you the high beam assist, the lane keep assist, the blind spot assist, the collision prevention assist, the light and rain sensor, the multi-function steering wheel. It also currently has the cruise control. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Again, I'm Kurt Bates with Mercedes-Benz of Manchester. I can be reached at 603-792-2427, or my cell is 603-702-2373, and my email is kbates@driveprime.com. Thanks and have a great day.